Widgets that give you quick access to your favorite apps just got a huge upgrade for iPhone. I'm the CyberGuy. Sign up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. Now, before we jump in here, let me explain how to create a widget first. From the home screen of your iPhone, tap and hold an empty area until the apps all start to jiggle. Tap the plus button in the upper left-hand corner, select a widget, choose a widget size, tap Add Widget, then simply tap Done. You can add a variety of widgets such as weather or your calendar, a clock, even photos. There's also a Smart Stack feature which allows you to add multiple widgets all together. This creates a stack that you can just scroll through to get to each one a lot easier. In previous versions of iOS, you'd be able to tap on a widget to bring them directly to the corresponding app. Well, now you can directly interact with the widget without ever having to open the app. Just do this. Press on the home screen until the icons and widgets start to jiggle. Tap on the plus button in the upper left corner to access the widgets. Tap on the widget of your choosing and select the size you want. Drag it onto the home screen or tap Add Widget at the bottom. From here, you can stop and start your favorite song or podcast, cross off a task on your to-do list, a whole bunch of stuff. It's endless. Head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.